In this video, we are going to see that if we want to add further criteria to our conditions of if and or, that is age-based criteria. We already have a condition that the company agrees to pay the staff premium of 50% only if the grade of the employee is greater than 6 and the dependent is either spouse or child. Then the company agrees to pay 50%. But what if we add the age related criteria and we only issue, let's say this is a life insurance, we only issue if the age of employee is greater than 55. If you want to name it, it's very simple. Just select both of these cells and go to the formulas, create from selection and create from left column. And now when we select this cell, we have this saved as age. First of all, we have the date of birth. We have to calculate the age as of today. And that's very simple to do. We will use a hidden formula for that. That is dated if. Dated if, open the bracket. Start date is date of birth. End date is today. Bracket close. We don't have to write anything in today. And the format, comma, the format will be Y. That means only the years. Hit enter, hit enter. The age of this employee is 47. Just double click to send it down. And let's see now. We have already defined this long formula, but let's make it even more complex. Actually, it's not complex. You have to know how different formulas and logics are applied. Even if a single criteria is added, you must know how to adjust your formula. Equals to if, and now we have three criteria, and the grade of employee should be greater than or equals to what? Grade. We have this cell named as grade. So as you can see, it has properly selected it. Logical 2 is the age of employee. This cell should be greater than or equals to what? Age. That's our logical 2. Logical 3, however, is dependency. And here we have a choice. Either the dependent is spouse or the dependent should be child. So there is an or condition here. Logical 1 says that the dependent should be either equals to what? Dependency 1, or the dependent should be equals to dependency 2. So if all of these conditions meet, bracket close for or, bracket close for and we have our logical test complete. If all of these conditions meet, then the gross premium 50% multiply by premium percentage is issued by the company. Otherwise what happens? What if false? Nothing is issued. Hit enter, hit yes, and just double click to send it down. And we have the results for all. We can see that all of these three criteria meet. The grade is 6, dependent is child, and the age is greater than 55. Age is 60, and that's how it goes. So it's another addition to our practical assessment that if we want to add three criteria of and with multiple criteria of or, how will this system work? Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.